Like I have played like years ago a lot, and now it's like the first time that I'm playing a long set again, and I really feel like this. It's like I really feel this energy coming from me. So it's really nice that you are still here and can share that with me. So sorry if I'm a bit intense.
You're doing great.
The next song is a song that's actually online, but in a really different way than I'm gonna play it now. So it's a bit smaller now than how it's online. It's called Arabic.
Soft burning light on the arrow that you shot the other night, with the wounds left open for the police of crime and for the pharmacy selling story. Ooh, with a red on your shoulder and the candle burning low, the water recycled, lack of hydration, another cross on my list, lack of existence, a broken flashlight, and the sunshine of a golden haze. Watery images passing by before you decide to shut the light of the candles the moon turned into one light, but not on your side, not on your side. I tried to convince you, but it was all a picture in my
I'm now gonna play a song I'm gonna play for the first time. It's called Lack of Fear. I think very, very representable for me now.
Sometimes the weight of the world sits heavy on my shoulders, and I can't seem to stand my ground. Around me I recognize the eyes, but none of them suit me now. Illusions are filling up my brain. Am I ever gonna feel daily situations? Let me question myself. Am I ever gonna heal? Am I sick? Do I need medication, and why is nobody up in me? Am I sick? Or do I need medication, and why is nobody up in me? What is this once that everybody has in their hearts, and that I ain't got? Am I an unborn baby? Haven't I lied before? No, am I still pure? Am I fooling myself? Am I fooling myself, or am I just extremely confused? Am I fooling myself? Am I fooling myself, or am I just extremely confused? lies behind the truth.